Today I'm going to organize some of my handmade products. I've kind of had them all in this bin and they really just need to get organized and put in their own place. For right now, I think this drawer setup is going to work really well, and then I can put it into my inventory closet with all of my other items. As my inventory grows, obviously I'll need to make changes, but for right now, I feel like this setup's going to work really well. So I grabbed my Brother P-Touch label maker, which I literally couldn't live without as a small business owner. This just works so good for so many things. So let's go ahead and see what these fit in. I'm going to move this aside. So I have my bookmarks here. This is the Poppin' Bottles. This is the Spring Swatch Blooms. And I'm going to see if these will just fit in one of these smaller drawers here. No, they don't fit in these smaller drawers. So we're going to have to go in to one of these there. All right, so there's the bookmarks. And then I have my sticker sheets, my Spring Swatch sticker sheets. And I already know they're not going to fit in the small. I mean, just looking at it, you can tell that it's not going to fit. So I'm going to pop that in there. And then I have my holographic nail stickers, and I make these in my nail studio. So these are the purple, and you could tell they're like super holographic. They're so pretty. And those will fit nicely in one of those smaller drawers. And then I have the pink ones. And I'm just going to put those all into the same drawer. There we go. My magnetic bookmarks. This is the Swatch Blooms magnetic bookmark. I think they'll fit in here, but I don't know if all of them will fit. I need a big drawer. I need to save this bottom big drawer for my keychains. So, but I don't think all of these are going to fit in this drawer. Nope. Okay, so this is going to be a 2 drawer. I don't really like having it in 2 drawers. I want everything to be in the same drawer. So I'm thinking about putting the bookmarks and the sticker sheets into the same drawer for the time being. And then I could use the big drawer for my magnetic bookmarks. And I think that'll work out really well. I just need the illusion of organized. It doesn't have to be perfect. I want to feel like my products are organized and I can get to them easily and I know what's in every drawer and all of that. Okay, and then I have my Swatch Blooms die cut sticker. So that can go, all the die cut stickers can go in this drawer for right now. So that's that one. And then I have my Nails Long Patience Short die cut sticker. And then my Nail Artist Rage Quit die cut sticker, which has a really funny backstory to it if you're interested. Let me know in the comments if you want to hear the funny backstory on this sticker. Okay, so that is that. And then we've got the keychains. And I think these are like a keychain bag charm. If you haven't seen my keychain bag charms, I'll show them to you really quick. So this one is the blue and gold, and this one is Sea Life. It has like pretty gold charms in it that are like seahorses and seashells. This one is Butterfly Garden. This one is Green Garden, Green Flower Garden. I'm trying to remember. This one is Pink Bows. Oh, I don't know how that one got mixed in there. And then, oh, how nice was that? Oh my gosh, what a good feeling. Like, I picked up my sticker. I knew exactly where it went. Oh, felt so, so good. This one is Purple Passion and this one is Yellow Garden. So these are all going to go in here. And, oh, that feels so nice to have all of that put away. Because I was just using stuff like this to organize and it just was not working for me. I also have another set of drawers. They don't have the small drawers, but they're all big drawers, and I will be probably using that for these notepads. These just came into the shop this week, and I am just loving them. I think they came, the print is just absolutely spectacular. And the paper is so smooth and it's like perfect to write on. I just love it. All right, I'm gonna move these over. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start making my labels for the drawers. All right, so this tape is split in the middle. Let me show you. It's split, so when you bend it, it peels half. It's like a half peel, and then flip it around. So it's just really, really easy. Okay, so this is die cut stickers. So we're going to pop that on there. The other nice thing about this tape also is that it peels off easy. So if I have to move stuff around, I can just peel that off and reuse it. I don't have to make a whole new label. So that's kind of nice. All right, and then this is going to be magnetic bookmarks. We can put that right in the middle there. And then keychains. Put that right on top. All right, and then nail stickers. I love that I have two open drawers still. That works out nice. All right, and then bookmarks and sticker sheets are in the same drawer. I think I'm gonna do bookmarks over here. And sticker sheets over here. All right, that looks really, really good. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And let me show you how it looks all done. So I just popped it into my inventory closet. I actually cleaned that all out and I need to reorganize that. So that'll probably be another video somewhere down the line. But I cannot tell you how happy I am to have this task done and that you guys came along with me for the ride. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye.